Hi, I'm Julie from designsbyjuju.com, and in this sewing session for Sulky, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable in the hoop notebook covers made entirely in the hoop with no hand sewing necessary. Included in your download, you're going to have 5 different design files, including one blank file that you can customize with your own design or monogram. Included, you'll have this little gratitude design, the brain dump, to do or not to do, all the things, and prayer journal. I look forward to showing you how to make this notebook. I will also show you in a bonus video how to customize your notebook covers in Embrilliance Essentials embroidery editing software so you can add your own monogram or design of your choice. So come on and follow along and let's get started.